Look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front full-feature leather appointed bucket, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3,266 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, Sonoma red metallic, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, leather appointed front seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Intelli-Link, FM Series HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, SLT preferred package, tires, P285/45R22SL 110H all-terrain, black wall. LPO, 22 inches, 55.9 centimeters, chrome 6-spoke multi-featured design wheels in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.